you can get paid for reading. Yes, you can earn up to $200 and above simply by reading an article into an audio book. You can actually earn money with your vocals. I'm going to be sharing with you a website that pays you to use your vocals. If you're looking for a way to make money online, to make an extra income online, this video is for you. Try to watch to the end. I'm going to be showing you a platform where you can use your voice and earn. Before I go further, you are welcome to this channel if you're seeing it for the first time. My name is Stacy, and more often than not, I talk about different ways to make money online. If you love this type of content, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell as to get notified each time I upload a new video. For my amazing subscribers, I appreciate you all. Now, before I continue, I want us to clear every unrealistic expectation you have in your mind. Because this platform I'm going to be sharing with you is a genuine platform and it pays. But it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You don't expect to get rich overnight using this platform. So don't expect too much. Don't expect to earn hundreds of dollars every single day. It requires effort, consistency, and dedication, and you will make out something really good out of this platform. Now, on this website, there are two different ways you can earn. You can earn by offering your talents. If you can read very well and you have a good vocal where you can read an article into an audiobook that people can listen to, you can offer your talent and charge. The second way you can earn is by applying to be hired on this website. Either ways, you are earning. The name of this website is Voices. On this website, you are paid to read out loud, to read an article. There are people who come to this website to turn their articles into audiobook, and they are looking for people like you that can read out loud, to read their article with a good voice and turn it into an audiobook that will be sold and you get paid for your services. So the name of this website again is Voices. I'll be showing you the process, how you can start up, and the step by step on how you can maximize your chances of earning from this platform. Like I said, you can earn in two ways. Either you're offering your talent or you are being hired to work on this platform. So I'll be showing you that using my phone screen. Platform is the Voices. This platform pays you to read out loud. You can read in any language you apply for. So when you see this interface, you go to their website, voices.com. You will see this interface. As you can see, marketplace for voiceovers. So you will see find talent and find work, depending on what you're looking for. But you're applying for work to read out loud. So you click on find work. Okay. When you click on find work, it will bring you to another interface where you can sign up. So when you sign up, as you can see, get paid for your voiceover skills. So when you sign up, you kind of do auditioning, and when after your auditioning, then whenever they have a job for you, they invite you to do the job and you get paid. So according to what they said here, whether you are just starting out in voiceover or you've been hustling for years, nothing beat doing what you love while getting paid to do it. So when they hire you, they will pay you for reading out for their audio books. And when you complete the work, they will pay you through SurePay. So you're getting your payment immediately. So how to get started is to create a profile. And in that profile, you have to showcase that you can read out loud by uploading a demo in minutes to start building your career on voice. You have to just read an article loud and upload it on your profile to show that you can actually do the work. And that's part of auditioning. When they now hire you, they'll start giving you jobs to do and you'll be getting paid. Then apart from this, there are two ways you can sign up on this platform to find work and to find talent. So if you have a talent of reading, transforming a story into audiobook, you click on find talent. When you click on find talent, you will see people that have talent that have signed up, and with their profile you can see the jobs they have done already. When you click on this now, you will hear this person's voice.
First things first, God created the heavens and the earth.
Something like this. So these are people that have talent. They sign up as, not that they are looking for, but they are looking for projects. Now when you click on packages, you see the ones they've done so far. And the amount they are charging. Like this is the person work. This is his talent. So when
Taco John's is a full day
for him now, they will hire him to do a particular job, and he said he's charging from $350 and above. They attach their prices, so you can sign up as a talent or find work. Anyone, you will be paid. As this person now only from $500 and above. So whether you're talented or you want to be hired, you can go to voices.com, sign up, follow all the processes required, meet all the requirements, sign up, and you wait for you to be hired or get a job to offer your service, and you get paid. This website is legit. You can see from the video there are people there already earning, offering their services and getting paid. And the good part is that you are not investing anything, you're not paying anything to sign up or to apply. So it's something you can try it out. In case you don't have a good vocals or you can't read very well, don't worry. I always bring to you different ways, different legitimate ways to make money online without paying anything. So if this video is not for you, maybe my next one will be your lucky boss. So look out for my next video. Thank you guys, and bye.